What is a respirator? A respirator is a machine to pump air into the lungs. Any pump or compressor will do the work. A pressure and flow needs to be controlled by the inhale and exhale functions. Pressure is about 10 to 50 centimeters of water column. This is less than 1 psi. And flow should be from 1 to 10 liters per minute. So to achieve this control, we need the control. Let's take a look at the control. The controller needs to control pressure and flow. Pressure builds up while forcing the inhale to a maximum of 50 centimeters of water column. At the top, it opens and cuts the flow, and pressure is released to zero. At the bottom, it closes and the process repeats. On these 2 points, 2 valves are open for inhale and exhale. Let's design the controller. We need compressed air less than 1 psi. I will use an air pump for that purpose. A valve to open and close and reverse the airflow. We need a device to build pressure and convert pressure to force and to operate the valve. We need a check valve to maintain the pressure in the device that converts the pressure to force. Pressure then is released by a small valve A controlled flow of air intake is also required. So we have 3 valves. Valve number 1 to control the intake airflow. Valve number 2 to check the valve to maintain pressure in the converter. And valve number 3, a pressure release control valve. Okay, now let's try to make this device out of household recyclable items. This vessel is ideal for a converter to pressure to force. Lead is a membrane to push and convert the pressure into force to actuate the main valve. We use this is the relief valve location. You can use a standard valve for the control of the air intake. A check valve. You can try any check valve like the ones using the vacuum bags. The orange juice bottle I will use as a support for the main control valve. I will use a standard airflow pump like the one used for the air beds. All standard items that you can easily find. Let's try to build this device. I will use these bottles and cut them to make the support for the main valve at the top of the device. The pressure converter, check valve, support. Let's build it. We'll cut this orange juice bottle to make the support. I will use a standard snorkel as it has a very good valves. The check valve for the bottom of the vessel so it can maintain the pressure inside the vessel. The other valve is going to be my main control flow valve for inhale and exhale, the main controller. This is the main device already assembled. You can see the main valve is inside the support, the relief valve already in place, and the main valve to control the intake. So we just need to go and check how this device works. For testing the device, I will use the standard glove as my lung, and I would use a piece of wood so that will simulate the chest pressure on the lungs. So let's see it working. Device is working, so enjoy and thank you for watching.